This is the video on the Ercoa pontoon boat with trailer. Nice little Zeman trailer, good tires, repacked bearings. You have the Mercury 4-stroke 50. Propeller looks good, back looks good, nice canopy. Let's see. Yeah, underneath nice and straight, nice clean little trailer. Pontoons look good. Nice tires over here, up to date, ready to rock. Good spare, 2-inch ball, nice hitch, nice stairs going up like that, nice and sturdy. Clean carpet, super nice in there. Good looking little boat. Do a little start of the engine here real fast, not gonna run along, just enough to hear it do its thing. Over there. All right, let's see what we got. Purring like a kid. All right, other than that, let's see, there's some stuff under the seats. We're gonna have life jackets. Over here, we're gonna have, so you got some jumper cables, got some more covers, fishing pole holders, a little bit of everything. That will do it on this one.